How to bake bread at home without a mixer. Ingredients: 3¾ cups all-purpose flour, 1½ teaspoons salt, 1 packet to p teaspoons instant yeast, 1 cups warm water about 110 degrees Fahrenheit, 2 tablespoons sugar, 2 tablespoons olive oil or melted butter. Instructions: 1. Activate the yeast. In a small bowl, mix warm water, sugar, and yeast. Let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes until it becomes frothy. 2. Mix the dough. In a large bowl, combine the flour and salt. Add the frothy yeast mixture and olive oil. Stir with a wooden spoon or your hands until a rough dough forms. 3. Knead the dough. Transfer the dough to a clean, floured surface. Knead for about 8 to 10 minutes until the dough becomes smooth and elastic. Add small amounts of flour if it's too sticky. 4. Let it rise. Place the dough in a lightly oiled bowl, cover it with a clean kitchen towel, and let it rise in a warm place for 1 to 2 hours or until it doubles in size. 5. Shape the dough. Punch down the dough to release air bubbles, then shape it into a loaf or rolls. Place it into a greased loaf pan or on a baking sheet. 6. Second rise. Cover the dough again and let it rise for 30 to 45 minutes until puffy. 7. Bake the bread. Preheat the oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 degrees Celsius. Bake for 25 to 30 minutes or until the top is golden brown and the bread sounds hollow when tapped. 8. Cool and enjoy. Allow the bread to cool on a wire rack before slicing. Serve fresh or store in an airtight container.